Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. In this video we will provide detailed step-by-step instructions to ensure the successful installation and commissioning of Solax LR25 and 36 batteries. Before installation, we kindly request that you take a moment to read the installation guide. This will ensure a smooth and safe installation process. First, let's get started with the introduction of the LR25 and 36 batteries. There are three mounting options: rack mounting, cabinet mounting, and wall mounting. Since the wiring of LR25 and LR36 are the same, in this video we will take LR36 rack mounting as an example. Let's briefly go over what comes in the package of the LR36. Now, let's have a look at the physical appearance and dimensions of the battery. Familiarize yourself with the location and function of each port before connecting it. Do not connect the cable to the wrong port. To ensure a proper installation, please follow the guidelines. Firstly, please avoid direct sunlight, rain exposure, and snow accumulation, and select a location away from flammable materials and antennas. It is recommended to install an awning or cover over the device to protect it from damage. Secondly, the ambient temperature should be between -20 degrees Celsius and +53 degrees Celsius, and the humidity should be within 5% to 95%. Also, the device has IP20 ingress protection. Remember to avoid installing the device at altitudes exceeding 3,000 meters. In the case of rack mounting, leave 200 to 300 mm space on both sides of the rack. In this part we will guide you through how to install the LR batteries. Installation personnel must wear safety gear in order to avoid electrical shock and personal injury. Please prepare the listed tools in advance. Step 1. Determine the front and rear side supports, and then place them on the ground. Insert the metal plate into the location holes. Step 2. Gently place the battery module into the assembled rack, and tighten fixing screws on both sides. Step 3. Placing another set of front and rear side supports on the first battery. Tighten the cap nuts. Step 4. Insert the metal plate as introduced before. Step 5. Gently place the second battery module and fasten the fixing screws. Step 6. Repeat step 3 to 5 to mount the remaining battery modules. And up to 7 battery modules can be installed in one rack. Next, we'll move on to the wiring session. For PE connection, first strip the cable jacket about 8 to 10 mm from the end, and slide the heat shrink tubing, then insert the wire into the OT terminal. Finally, crimp the OT terminal and use a heat gun to shrink the tubing. Connect the assembled PE cable to the PE port of the bottom battery module. Parallel connect the PE ports of the rest battery modules together. Now let's connect the communication cables. From bottom to the top, the communication connection is link in to link out. Next, connect the power cables. Remove the waterproof covers. From bottom to the top, connect B positive to B positive, B negative to B negative. After that, insert one end of the communication cable into BMS port of the top battery and the other end into the inverter. For the top battery, connect B positive and B negative to inverters, BAT positive, BAT negative, respectively. The BAT positive and BAT negative ports that are not used need to be covered with waterproof covers. Turn the dip switch 5 of each battery module to the on position. Usually the dip switch 5 will be slid to the on position in the factory setting. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to start the battery. The status indicator will flash green and SOC indicators will display the current SOC level. The table shows the indicator status of LR36 in different status. the LR25 and 36 batteries are only suitable for the X1 Hybrid LV. For details about inverter wiring, please refer to the X1 Hybrid LV installation video. Thank you for watching.